So when someone says, I have anxiety, we have to ask, what is anxiety? What does it physiologically mean? Does what it physiologically means match up with what they're working to articulate through the word bank that culture gave them? Because maybe you can speak to this, Lex, but there's a word bank right now that culture has given young people. Mm-hmm. And the word bank is, I'm stressed, I'm anxious, I'm burnt, I have burnout. So you have to say, okay, does the descriptor match the physiology? Are they talking about the thing in a way that's actionable, that we can understand the science behind the anxiety process? And then we can build a skills-based approach to saying, how do we mitigate or deal with or understand anxiety? And that led us to not only want to work with students to learn about their physiology first, meaning as part of their learning journey, but to look at the current medical model, which was built in another century, which looks at psychology first because we couldn't look at physiology first. Imagine up until this point in time, we had to kick a car tire to understand what was happening in a car. And then at some point in time, we could open up the hood. You'd want to open up the hood. So now with more biometric data and the breakthroughs in neuroscience and stress physiology, we can sort of open up the hood and look at the central nervous system of the human body and try to understand what anxiety, what stress, what depression are. And then we can tackle them with a 21st century lens and a skills-based approach.